So today I'll show you how to make a paper sailboat. All you need is a square sheet of paper, or origami sheet, which is a square piece of paper. So, first you want to fold it like this and make another square, like a smaller square, so like this, and then make a small, and then fold it. That rectangle in half to make this. So then you take one flap, just one, and put it to the corner, like this. Then you want to take these three and put it to the other side. Then you should have a little pouch here. Open that up. And just fold it into a diamond-like shape. And then it should look something like this. So then you want to turn it around and take these two and just take them and do this. Okay, so then you can flatten it down like this. Then you can just pick it and then just do it. Use a flat surface to smoothen the bottom down. And then here is what the paper sailboat looks like for me. So hope you enjoyed. Bye.